Good afternoon to all of you, my dear lovely video viewers. Welcome back to my another English speaking video, English with Mamun. Right now, I'm standing under this tree because today's temperature is very high in our village. I think that it is not only our village, all over Bangladesh today temperature is high. Uh, right now I'm standing its village name maybe Posim Naudanga. It is my first time video here. It doesn't matter. I will make English video everywhere. That's why I'm practicing my English and I'm recording my English video. Now I'm going Ulipur market because I will buy some product for my shop. I will buy some product for my family. It is so important for me. Side by side, I want to share with you how we can improve our speaking skill, how we can start our English journey. It is very important for our every students. I have seen many students in my village. I have seen many students on my Facebook page. They don't know how we can improve our speaking skill, how we can develop our learning English. It is very important and it is very common question for our every students. You know that I am from countryside and I have no VIP place where I will make English video. Whenever I get free time, that time I try to practice my English in front of my camera, and I don't have enough time for practice my English. As you can see, I'm standing this main road and I'm going Ulipur market by this road. That's why I have thought I will practice my English. At the same time, I will share some important tips with our students because they don't know how we can improve our speaking skill. I have seen many students, they told me, hey brother, I'm from village, I'm from countryside, I don't have enough time for practice my English. And they tell me, hey brother, I cannot English properly. That's why today I will share this matter. You know that I'm from countryside, it doesn't matter. Wherever I am free, that time I try to practice my English. Whenever I go my field, whenever I go Ulipur market, that time I practice my English in front of my camera. It is helping me a lot to improve my speaking skill. It is helping me a lot to learn English quickly. If you are beginner, you can practice your English every single day. You can make English video every single day. Side by side, you can learn new vocabulary, you can learn new sentences every single day. Like this way you can improve your speaking skill. As you can see, I'm standing on this main road. Many people, they are going by this road. Many people, they don't know because I'm unknown person here, and it is my first time video here. It doesn't matter. As you can see, no one is here. For that, I'm practicing my English effortlessly and confidently. It is very important for me. Side by side, you know that I have no shyness for practice my English everywhere. That's why I can make English video everywhere, any situation. It is very important and it's best way for me to practice my English. You know that I have no VIP place where I will practice my English. At present, you know that I'm very busy with my daily work because this is winter season. For that, every day I try to go different kinds of market to buy some medicines for my shop. I have different kinds of I have bought different kinds of medicines from me, and this is very important for me. You know that this is winter season, that's why I'm very busy with my daily activities. See you next video. Stay safe, stay home. Best luck for everyone.